AndBible version 5. Hundreds of big and small changes are included in this latest release. First, let's look at all the major features. Synchronize data across all your devices. All your Android devices can now share the same bookmarks, notes, study pads and workspaces. Digital book support with Bible cross-references. You can now add your favorite EPUB formatted digital books into AndBible. Any Bible references are automatically linked to the Bible text. Universal bookmarks. Passage highlighting, study notes, and text-to-speech is now available in all document types. Discrete mode for the Persecuted. It's now possible to hide religious symbols inside the app and hide the app behind a calculator. Custom document repositories. Users can create their own document repositories and share them with others. Window link groups. Advanced study is now easier by linking windows in multiple groups. Many more minor changes make AndBible even better. Here are some we hope you'll like. Workspace colors. Choose a toolbar color to easily identify workspaces. Label list filter. Study pad filter. New book selector layout. Simplified backup and restore dialog. Customize the one-tap options. Copy links to the clipboard. Separate footnote and reference options. More bookmark-style options. Search bookmark notes. The dictionary list now displays the first part of each entry. AndBible will always remain open source. But it's now also possible for users to contribute financially. This will enable our lead programmer to continue developing the app for everyone. We hope you enjoy using our completely free Bible study app. Visit our website to discover how you can help us make it even better.